everyone, we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how we can fix the Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapter problems on your Windows 11 devices, whether it's a laptop or a PC. Okay, so let's get started. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to the services option, and we can do that by making a search here in the Windows search tab, services under best match. Let's open services. So once this window is open, let's go to the W section, and we can do that by simply selecting one service and then press W in your keyboard, and we will be brought to the W section. So here all we need to do is to look for WLAN auto config, this one. Once found, then it should say that it's running, and we should set it to automatic. So let's just make a right click on it and then go click on properties, and the startup type should be automatic. So once this option is not chosen, then you can click this drop down button here and then choose automatic option, and then once chosen, please click on apply and then click on OK. Now once done, just make a quick restart with your PC and then see if it's already working. Okay, so let me just close this one, and if it still doesn't work, then we can proceed with the next process or the next way. So let's go to troubleshoot settings, and here again in our search tab, let's type troubleshoot. So under best match, please click on troubleshoot settings, and then let's go to other troubleshooters, and let's go to network and internet. So since we have a problem with our network or our Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapter, then all we need to do is just click on this run button here to run the troubleshooters, and just wait for this to be done. Okay, so when it says, or when the problem has been found during the running of the troubleshooter, then all you can do is just follow the process that it will show you, and after the troubleshooting is done, then you can do a make restart, or you can make a quick restart with your device and then see if it's already working. Okay, and if it still doesn't work, then let's proceed with the third process or third way. So the next thing we need to do is to go to the settings option, and here in the Windows icon, please make a click on it. So let's go to settings options, and in here in the left pane, please look for network and internet, and scroll down a little bit to look for advanced network settings. Now once found, please do click on it. And in here, all we need to do is just go to network reset under more settings section. So just click on that, and it says here that your PC will be restarted. So network reset, all you need to do is just click on this reset now button, and it will restart your network settings and adapter settings. Okay, so once you do that, please do make a quick restart with your device and then connect again to your Wi-Fi and see if it's already working. And if still it doesn't work, then let's go to the device manager, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to device manager options. And once this device manager window is up on our screen, all we need to do here is to go to network adapters, and once found, please do click on this arrow here, and here let's find for the wireless connection or wireless option, this one. And once you found that, please click on it, and then let's go to properties, and in here let's go to driver. Let's see if the driver is latest, or if you see that the driver date is already old, then you can update driver. Click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. And when it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you're good to go. And all you need to do is to close this one as well as this one, and then go again to that option, the wireless option, and then make a right click again, and then just disable the device, and once done, enable it again, and then you can make a quick restart with your device or PC and then see if it's working. Okay, so for the last step, if updating the network adapter and disabling or enabling doesn't work, then what you can do is to update your Windows, and we can do that by simply typing here in the Windows search tab Windows Update, and you will see under best match Windows Update settings, so please do click on that. And in here, all you need to do is just to click on this download and install all. So if you see that, or if you don't see any green check mark here, then that means that you still have some updates available to be installed. And if you have some of that, please do click on install and update your device. Okay, so after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device and then see if it's already working. Okay, so that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.